Water is the cradle of life and an essential part of it. It is the substance that makes up 75% of our bodies and our planet. However, this entire blue world now runs the risk of a shortage in the supply of clean water. This is because 97% of the planet's water is salt water, 2% is in the form of ice, and only 1% is made up of the rivers and lakes that guarantee the supply of fresh water for human consumption. According to UN data, water scarcity is already a problem for 2 billion people, and in the metropolitan region of São Paulo, Brazil, the situation is no different. With water availability rates like those of the driest areas of the Northeast, the volume of water in rivers and dams is already insufficient to meet the population's demand. That is why the conscious use of water resources is crucial for guaranteeing the quality of life and environmental sustainability. With this in mind, the partnership of GS, Cinema Industrial and Sabesp created the Aquapolo project, a pioneering and innovative development in Latin America and one of the largest in the world, dedicated to the production of reused water for industrial purposes. At the ABC wastewater treatment plant, located on the border between São Paulo and São Caetano do Sul, there is a treatment plant that produces reused water for the ABC Petrochemical Center and other large companies in the region. Aquapolo has the capacity to supply up to 1,000 liters of reused water per second. This means that a companies no longer need to consume volumes of drinking water sufficient to supply a city of up to 500,000 inhabitants. Aquapolo is a sustainable solution that, by recycling and reusing sewage, meets the growing industrial demand while also preserving the region's scarce water resources. With an innovative and sustainable project, Aquapolo produces reused water from sewage treated at the ABC wastewater treatment plant. A portion of this effluent, which would normally be returned to nature, is collected individually at the 6 existing decanters. Through a gravity power system, it is carried to a low-charge lift station where it is pumped to a preliminary treatment unit, passing through disc filters designed to retain solid particles equal to or larger than 400 microns. The filter effluent is then sent to TMBR, which involves treatment by a tertiary biological reactor followed by ultrafiltration. The biological treatment phase includes the removal of nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic material through anoxic and aerobic processes. After that, the effluent is pumped to the ultrafiltration membrane modules. These membranes, which have 0.05 micron pores, retain solids and bacteria through filtration. The backwash and chemical cleaning processes take place at constant intervals and are responsible for conserving and maintaining the modules. Online measurement equipment is used to monitor the quality of the permeated liquid that originates from the TMBR. When the quality does not meet the center's required parameters, a reverse osmosis process is used. Disinfection takes place at the end of the entire process by applying chlorine dioxide. This is when the reused water is pumped by the high-charged lift station to the petrochemical center, where it also reaches the other clients in the region. To prevent possible interruptions and correct any water quality adjustments, Aquapolo designed the storage tanks with a capacity of 70,000 cubic meters, meeting the client's requirements related to quality and constant volume. After the transformation of the effluent is complete, the produced water travels 17 kilometers via pipeline, supplying Aquapolo clients until it reaches Mauá. That is where a balancing tower ensures the constant, safe distribution of the resource to the different companies that make up the ABC Petrochemical Center. By preserving water resources, Aquapolo guarantees the longevity and sustainability of the ABC Petrochemical Center, while also providing the necessary conditions for the growth and expansion of the region's trade and industry through the preservation of the supply of high-quality water. Aquapolo is considered a pioneer in effluent reuse for industrial purposes and has closely followed the growing trend in the use of this technology for the production of drinking water as well. This is a solution already adopted by several countries in regions with highly restricted water availability. Intelligent water use is synonymous with quality of life and sustainability. Aquapolo. Transform to perpetuate.